It's on the lid. It's on the lid. It's on the lid.
The lid.
The lid. The lid, Patrick.
On the lid.
Your sign
And run
spawn.
into the cave. And run back out of the cave. And into the cave again.
When I go out of the cave, it's a zone where you
I
can't.
know, so it refreshes every time you walk out of the cave. You see. Physics. PHY.
This is Dark Souls. The rules of physics don't apply. Wait.
There it is.
I'm so good at this game.
You're not human.
Shut up.
Forgot to ask you the most important question. I'll take the blame for this. This is how we go through this place. You ready?
Alright.
Go the opposite direction.
We just turn around and go home. Gosh. Are we just gonna try to book it through here, or are we gonna try to
I
actually
don't
fight?
see why not. I mean, do you want the items in here?
I really don't need them. I mean, of course, this is where all the rest of my Estus flash shards are gonna end up, I guarantee you. Ooh. Oh, I'm in here now. This is the thing that happened.
Alright. Onward! It's too late. There's a chest there. I went the wrong way. Okay. Get my bearings straight. Perfect. And you went to the chest. Go back.
Rickard's rapier.
I mean,
Toward the beginning of our playthrough, you wanted that.
yeah, but now that I've got this worthless sword, I'm all for not using anything good. Oh, come on. Let me off with a rock. Got him. Come on, Ben. Hurry. Let the big golden boy lead you to safety.
Go, gold man.
Go on.
I got distracted
Hey,
by
kids!
shiny objects.
Come into my cave.
I got some popsicles.
I got some popsicles.
Haha, big giant worm, you can't get me.
You were saying?
How'd I die? Oh, I got cursed.
Petrified.
Okay, did you sign down?
I'm human.
Oh, well, I'm human now too.
I'll put my sign down, I guess.
I
Trying to save
I put my sign down.
My sign's down. It's too late. I'm trying to save evidence.
My sign's down. So your sign is invalid.
Yours. Okay. Look here, bucko.
Alright, my sign's gone now.
That's what I thought. We all know in a battle of endurance I would win. In a battle of strength we would both lose.
Well, this is true.
It's only a valid cleric spell if you shout them before using it.
It's only a valid anime attack if you shout it.
Now I've got some fire in my belly, he says for the 17th time this episode. Sewed, not sewed. God. So I've lost my bearings. But I found death.
For them.
It's debatable. Alright, here we go, this way. Not that way. This one, no.
I hate how you get hit with a thing and it's like, ooh, I actually got shot.
He technically are getting shot with some gunk. Oh my god.
It's been from a statue that doesn't have any lungs or anything that would actually give that much propulsion behind it. At least, oh, okay. Gotta avoid.
Remember, PHYSX, physics.
P-H-A-T, fat.
That's just how I like my bitches.
Fat six.
Oh no.
What the heck?
Hey, I did it too! Yes! Go, 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 go!
Gotta go fast.
I should build a character. Just make him blue. Call him Sonic.
Sonic. It's like, let's make a cave with the absolute biggest amount of bullcrap that we can throw in one area. I'm about to get petrified. Yep, I'm petrified. Yeah, curses in Dark Souls 3. It's insta-kill mechanic.
I'm trying to remember where it shows up.
Basilisks. Pretty much just basilisks.
Are there basilisks in that game?
How have you played this game as much as you played and asked me if there's basilisks in that game?
Because I have such high hopes for the game, you know? I have such fond memories. And basilisks are not a fond memory.
Basilisks are in every single Dark Souls game.
Old mundane stone 2 times. Okay. Ben, let's get out of this room. Let's just avoid these guys.
Okay.
Go this way. There's an item over here. Let me get that.
No, let me to my doom.
Oh, it's only your doom if you die. Ouch. I think I'm going the wrong way still. Yep.
Yes.
I'm all sorts of discombobulated. Hang on, let me like chug 6 life children. So I can say my S's flat for the boss who won't give me time to use them.
I'm just using divine blessings.
Alright, there you go.
Infantry helm. I thought I got the infinity helm. It's like a hat with infinity stones in it. Crap. I am almost petrified again. There we go. Oh my gosh.
I have something for you.
I went the wrong way.
Did you already drop down there? Oh, you're here. Okay.
No, I'm up here.
I got you a gift.
I'm literally about to get freaking petrified. Ash Knuckle Ring. What does that do?
Raises petrification resistance. It's safe down here. No one will spit it.
Okay.
Just let me know when your bar's lowered.
Okay, we should be good. It's going now. Alright. I'm gonna let you run first and get to the fog wall because I don't want to get up there and get destroyed.
No, you'll just get petrified whenever I'm already in there. Oh my god, that was so close! I'm in. Hey boys, how are we today? He's doing swell, okay.
Alright, I made it.
They're not having any of my crap today, I'll tell you.
I'll take care of the
What is poise?
Something they... Oh, I'm pretty sure you don't have... Golly.
I'm only wearing like the girthiest boy armor in the game, and
No, I'm pretty
So,
sure
of
this guy's wearing the girthy boy armor.
I'm wearing the same pants as him, okay? I feel like he's copying me. Oh, crap. I forgot if I swing my sword and move my direction whatsoever.
Havel, quit jumping. How can you jump?
Golly! Dude's shooting his great bow at me, and it's just knocking me on my ass.
I deal no damage to Havel. Oh, almost petrified. Why are they in the boss room? Really? Come on, FromSoft. Get your crap
Are they
together.
really?
Yeah, there's petrifying things
go
over
back.
here.
Get over here!
Oh, it's cool. Not only does this guy have maximum vitality, he also has maximum vigor, and his adaptability is through the roof. Iframes.
Yeah, yeah. There's a couple.
Bonus points to weapon tracking too, apparently.
Yes. I want to spec into that.
Yeah, whatever. I'll have what he's having. Alright, how about we just... Boop!
Where'd the archer go? Oh, wait.
I do not know, and I'm a little worried about that.
What the heck? Oh, he's here. He's over here. Come here, boy.
Always keep your eye on the guy who's trying
Make
to
your
kill you.
daddy talk.
Dance, Montana, dance.
He keeps poking me with his rapier. He pulls out a great bow. There's no need to flex that hard,
Here we
dude.
go, here we go. Oh, he changed his mind. Thank God he has the infinite weapon tracking.
What the heck? Why are you over here, dude? I was just having a party with this guy.
Uh-oh. I hear the heal spells. Oh, it was you, never mind.
With me casting the
Dude,
lightning
they can
blade.
chug!
Oh, frick, they killed me.
They can chug!
Get out of there.
Well, hi-de-ho. Oh my god! Frickin' Havel. That's 4. 4 S's flasks. I think he has more than I do. Why didn't they succumb to the randomizer?
Instead of Vessel's Flask, he just gets like, I
Alright,
don't
1
know,
down, 2 to go.
rubbish. So you're just throwing
Oh
crap at you.
yes, using rubbish. That's what this fight is rubbish. Oh, I'm screwed. Golly, that's the 6 S's flask he's chugged.
He's got more than we do.
He does! I just got backstabbed, here we go. I killed one of them. I'm so glad all of his armor set, which has less poise than any of my pieces combined, somehow is making him have more poise than I do. What even is this madness?
That's how poise works.
Right, yeah. If you are player, poise equals no.
Poise equals ha ha.
That's not a number value. Oh, we know. He killed me. He killed me.
Oh. Alright,
Because he's a chugging sack of crap.
I'm human, so wait for your sign.
And hydrate him, that kind of ass kicking I just received. I burned through so many life gems.
Don't worry, they're cheap.
But sir, I'm poor.
Budge. No, no, let me down here. Oh,
These guys should be good. No.
I got so close to being petrified.
Oh hey, speaking of Petra. Oh, yep, goodbye. It happened.
Alright.
It finally happened. Fight. Ah, you kidding me?
Well, I was,
I want that ring back. Bob and weave. No, guys. Let's just think about what we're doing.
Alright.
Hello, friends. Got him.
Archer, where are you? Where are you, Archer? He's back here, all alone like a little wimp. I don't want your pokes. Quit.
How does all of his armor, all of his armor, have more poise than Havel's armor? But I am wearing Havel's armor. And Vanguard's armor. Just so you know, big dick energy's heading your way.
Oh, oh, right when I'm out of stamina. Great. Oh,
I gotta check this flask and I'll come save you.
trying to exercise every day.
Oh, he just shoved his sword through my chest. Fortunately, I'm immune to damage.
That's the best type of immunity.
Really? Who needs Varg immunity?
Havel's not doing anything.
Oh, I was bleeding. I am good at this game.
You were bleeding?
In real life, not in the game, I swear.
Aged feather time. Go! Oh, he drop attacked me. What a loser. Oh, they killed me.
I'm going to use human effigy, just so you know.
Dang it. They would not let me use that feather. They're like, no, it's don't give me no escape for you. Oh, I'm a coming. Alright.
Why is it like one of Papa Roach's worst songs is what he's most known for?
Which one?
Last Resort!
Oh.
It's such a subpar Papa Roach song, and he's so known for it. It's a good song, because it's well known.
Papa Roach is the name of the band. It's not necessarily the main singers.
I know, but like, the singer is the band. He's a one-man artist, did you do that?
Nope. Don't poke me.
Oh, okay, I guess I'll take
It's
this
like
guy.
they know when one of them gets low on health, it's like, send other guy to be a jerkwad.
And then you have this guy who's like, I'm just gonna chug. Stop it! You have too much poise. What? I hit him, and he blocked it with his dragon tooth, so he's taken no damage. Okay,
Alright,
so
I've
there
got
we go.
one of them. Now I just need to heal.
Yeah, good. He's got weapon tracking. It really hurt.
Just stay alive.
Yeah, he did a jump attack.
Woo!
I'm gonna go buy some life gems.
Crap!
I did it. Pro tips. I mean, I'm sure at first. Use one of my limited amount of shards.
I mean, in all fairness, that's probably pretty accurate.
When you're naked, you have no poise, so you're gonna stagger. Glad you're really helpful. Okay.
The man! Divine blessing. Right now.
Oh god!
Oh, that looks like a lot of fun over there.
I'm having a great time. Oh god, no.
Ooh, ooh. What's up, everybody? What we doing?
Pop these life gems like candy. I applied a buff to my weapon for absolutely no reason. I want you to know that.
Oh, I should probably buff my weapon, actually.
Oh, nope. Nope. Guys, think about what we're doing here, right? I mean, isn't the real treasure in this cave the friendship we made along the way?
I'm bleeding, apparently.
I wish this guy would just get poisoned.
Wish this guy were
too much to
poisoned.
ask. Oh no, I've been backstabbed.
Are you dead?
Thank you, life gem, for saving my life. Gem. Against all odds, I've managed to survive this far.
Aha, you missed.
Decimating the boy with a bow.
Yeah,
Nice. Oh, hey guys!
with my big spiky sword.
Come on over here. Let's do something about this, shall we? What if this is only phase 1? After you kill them, they'll come back for phase 2.
Oh, come here.
Would be the definition of a bullshit boss. Oh god!
You mean
Oh no.
all you
Maybe
had,
with the old razzle dazzle.
all you had to do was stay alive. You didn't even have to fight them. Just stay alive. 3 or 4 minute videos. What are you gonna do in 3 to 4 minutes? Even just
I mean,
highlights, you can't do highlights in 3 to 4
Dude,
minutes.
I could do a lot in 30 seconds, let me tell you.
I mean, aside from twiddling your toothpick.
Well played, sir.
They love me. They really love me. Okay,
Where's my sit down at?
there is no sit down unless you've. I don't know where we get that emote, but it's not an automatic emote, and that's definitely what the worst thing that this.
Oh,
wrong
they're
with this game.
emojis, and I don't use them.
I need to pop a life gem real quick.
This is my last resort. Pop a life gem.
No breathing. All right, looks like Havel's gonna.
Yeah, they're both going for you, so I'm gonna take out the blue with no health.
All right, I will just stay alive. It's my own.
Where the wild things are.
Only-
How do you have no help? What? You have poise? This is ridiculous!
I staggered him. What are you hitting me with a limp noodle? Because I
mean,
think it's less that they
where
have
were we
poise
starting?
and more
That's
that your
like- my
weapon
bad.
doesn't do any poise damage. So, fun fact: if you just literally just walk around in a circle, they will not hit you.
Yeah, but if you attack them.
If you attack them, you get dead like Gannon.
I'm not dead yet. Almost there. But not quite.
Oh yeah.
Get at him! Alright. died. See? But if you attack them, they also die.
If you attack them, you almost get dead like
Hi,
me.
Havel! Oh, these guys are resistant to poison, so I've literally swapped my weapon for no point. I can get behind that. Alright, friend, let's do this. Oh yeah. It's all coming together. Oh god.
Aha, if I've got crystal magic weapon on, it staggers
You
them.
do damage. Oh, nice.
No, you're not bleeding me. If he bleeds me, I die.
If it's overcooked, I send it back. If it's undercooked, I send it back. If it's cooked right, I send it back. Just don't make it, please.
How did you, like, literally stand there and somehow negate some of my damage? I don't understand you.
Are you hitting them with a limp noodle? Even I do damage. I'm using a broken straight sword.
Oh, he's coming to you.
Oh yeah? Tell me something I don't want to hear.
I'm coming.
I did. He's coming to you. Oh, and Havel just chugged. We're good. Everything is really working out well here.
Everything's coming up roses.
We can just stop this guy.
Gosh. I don't want to get bled by you. Whew. I'm in a bad place. This guy's about to give me the bad touch.
Mr. Bad Touch, bring me a dream.
Okay, we just have Havel left.
That's the boss fight in and of itself right there. Oh, here we go. Backstab. Let's make sure he doesn't chug. Yes! Yes!
We did it, finally!
Yes! Give me your 15,000 souls.
I got 3 homeward bones and 3 human effigies. Thank you.
Give me the homeward bones. Just give me all your homeward bones.
Actually, I should do that.
I wasn't kidding.
The chest of wonders. What is in?
Gwen, what are you doing in here?
Infantry helm. Thank you.
Didn't have enough of those.
Xanatos waistcloth. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, this douche is saying at the. He's like, he wants to go in and help you. He's like literally standing at the fog gate. He's.
What a nice guy. Let him in. Come on, dude.
Alright. So you get.
Alright, you go. Yeah, you take out that guy over there. Oh, never mind. Behind you.
What? What?
I'm already bleeding too.
I was
so
halfway
we're off
through
to
a roll
great
and I sucked back to Havel and he backstabbed me.
Yeah. That's how we roll in this game.
Havel, I have recorded proof that of the bullcrap you just did to me.
I'm just gonna go ahead and like attack all my stamina out and see how far it gets me. I hurt one of them once.
Sounds like a solid plan.
I'm dead.
Yeah, don't say.
Laptops?
I thought it was called GarageBand and it was an audio recording software for Mac. Or am I thinking
Yeah.
of something different?
You're thinking of the right thing, I'm thinking of the wrong thing. But at least I'm honest.
Alright.
No!
Stay alive.
Alpha's coming for you.
I will find you. Who is?
Alpha. Or,
Fake Havel? Oh, you.
I was saving your life. Don't mind me. Holy crap. Yeah, what if we keep them all together? That sounds like a good idea.
But why? Why would you do that? Why would you do any of that?